Hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another live trading explanation video of those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trade identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of financial instrument and any kind of time frame. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group, don't miss this opportunity. So this video will be in particular about those kind of trading setups here. You see this kind of highest probability trading setups. This is looking like a program flow chart with reversal. Then you trade the continuation, and that is what I have done here. Yes, we have here an let me show you this. I will do a put again. We have here a double top. I traded the neckline here. Here was the neckline, and when I saw the candlestick going down and going up again, I entered into a put because I was expecting that the trend will continue to going down. And that is what I'm doing here on the rejection from the 20 EMA and this area here. I entered into a put because I'm expecting that the trend will continue to going down. That is the same concept of this high probability trading setups, yes, which I have explained here in this ebook. It's the same concept, only that we don't start with an engulfing candle, that we start with a double top. So let me see what is going on here. If I get a higher entry point, I will do a put again. So I will do a put again because I'm pretty much sure that price will go down further. And because that is still the double top here, yes, you see here, this is the double top. Here we have also an engulfing candle, yes, but here the wick was too small and to enter immediately, yes, as I would have entered, because if you are so far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band, you can enter into this trade also, yes, because here this area here is reversal area, yes, that I have explained so often in my videos, that we are talking here when we are far away from the 2 deviation, we are going in a reversal, yes, and that's the reason why I would enter here also. But I understood this from the movement of this candle here, that we are going to break through this neckline of this double top, and that was it. And you have seen 3 trades in a row, really fast, without any problem, only by using this kind of scenario here. You see the engulfing candle, but this is you have not to see only the engulfing candle, you have to see the double top. And then I traded the downtrend of this double top, and you know what happens after this? It will happen that we get here a pullback. So I would say that would be enough, because I have some other things to do. So I would say, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, any questions or something, let me there comment, or join the Facebook group, and don't miss this opportunity. So that was this one. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.